Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to log into Snapchat. Follow these steps to access your Snapchat account. To get started, download the Snapchat app by visiting the Google Play Store and searching for Snapchat. Tap on Install to download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Snapchat icon on your device and tap on it to open the app. On the welcome screen of Snapchat, you'll find the Login option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this option to proceed with the login process. Enter your username or email associated with your Snapchat account, followed by your password. Once you've entered the required information, tap on Log In to access your Snapchat account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Snapchat account where you can view stories, send snaps, and connect with friends through messaging. By following these simple steps, you can easily log into Snapchat and start using the app to share moments with your friends and explore the various features it offers. We hope this guide helps you in logging into Snapchat effectively. Thank you for watching.